There are a lot of things that people say will make you a millionaire. An average millionaire has 7 different streams of income. That's right, 7. And that's just the average. There are many millionaires out there who have even more than 7 sources of income. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you're not a millionaire yet, it means you need to start diversifying your income sources. But what are the things that really guarantee you will be a millionaire? In this video, we will discuss 9 things that will make you a millionaire. Some of these may seem like common sense, but they are often overlooked. So watch on and learn how to achieve financial success. Also, subscribe us to 2x your chance to be a millionaire. Number 9. Only buy the things that you need. There are a lot of people out there who will say that the key to becoming a millionaire is to buy things that you don't need. They'll tell you that if you want to be rich, you need to invest in things that will appreciate in value over time. And while there is some truth to those statements, they're not the whole story. The reality is, if you want to be a millionaire, you need to focus on generating income. And the best way to do that is by only buying the things that you need. So many people out there are caught up in the trap of consumerism. They believe that they need to have the latest and greatest everything in order to be happy. But the truth is, all that stuff is just going to end up costing you a lot of money. It's not going to make you any richer. So if you want to be a millionaire, focus on generating income and only buy the things that you need. Number 8. Pay off your credit cards every month. If you're carrying a balance on your credit cards, you're not going to become a millionaire anytime soon. That's because the interest that you're paying is eating into your potential wealth. So if you want to be a millionaire, make sure that you pay off your credit cards every single month. This will allow you to keep more of your money and use it to build your wealth. Number 7. Be disciplined. One of the most important things that you need to do if you want to be a millionaire is to be disciplined. This means being disciplined with your money and with your time. You need to make sure that you're spending your time wisely and not wasting it on things that don't matter. And you need to be disciplined with your money, which means not spending it all and making sure that you're investing it wisely. Number 6. Start a side hustle. One of the best things that you can do if you want to be a millionaire is to start a side hustle. A side hustle is simply a way to make extra money outside of your normal job. And there are endless possibilities for side hustles these days. You can start an online business, become a freelancer, or even start a blog. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and then find a way to monetize it. There are many people out there who make their living from their side hustles. And if you can do the same, you'll be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. Number 5. Don't be afraid to have a big vision. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to becoming a millionaire is they don't have a big enough vision. They think that they need to be content with making a few $100,000. But if you want to be a millionaire, you need to have a much bigger vision. You need to think about what you really want in life and then go after it. Don't be afraid to dream big, because if you don't, you'll never achieve your full potential. Number 4. Build good money management skills. If you want to be a millionaire, you need to have good money management skills. This means knowing how to budget your money, save your money, and invest your money wisely. Without these skills, it will be very difficult to reach your goal. But if you can learn to manage your money well, you'll be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. Number 3. Invest in yourself. If you want to be a millionaire, you need to invest in yourself. That means getting an education and learning as much as you can about personal finance and investing. The more you know, the better off you'll be. And if you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of resources out there that can help you. Just make sure that you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn. Number 2. Build a strong support network. One of the most important things you can do if you want to be a millionaire is to build a strong support network. This means surrounding yourself with people who will support your goals and help you achieve them. These people can be friends, family, or even mentors. But whoever they are, make sure that they are positive and supportive people who will help you reach your goals. Number 1. Realize that money doesn't buy happiness. Finally, and the most important thing to remember if you want to be a millionaire is that money doesn't buy happiness. Yes, having a lot of money can make life more comfortable, but it's not going to make you happy. So don't think that becoming a millionaire is going to solve all of your problems. It's not. Instead, focus on finding things that make you happy and then work towards achieving them. If you can keep these in mind, you'll be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. Hope you got some value. If so, leave a like and make sure to subscribe for more. Watch this video to learn what are the secret habits of rich people that make them richer.